Welcome back to Eats, Cleats and Jeets. Today we are making a turkey and bean chili. I've just got back from a 270k round trip and need a recovery meal that I can also have for my lunch this week. Plenty of protein for muscle recovery, fibre and carbs from the beans to help with fatigue, and potassium, magnesium, iron and vitamin C to prevent cramping and to get oxygen moving. Add some vegetables and fragrant spices to make this a well-rounded meal that you can whip up after a big day in the saddle. There's only a handful of ingredients and this one can be made in about 25 minutes. Add some oil to a pan and get it nice and hot before putting your turkey in. Whilst that browns, chop up your vegetables and put in the same pan as the turkey once it's got some good colour. Allow those to saute and soften before adding some tomato puree in your spice mix. Cook that off for a minute before popping your turkey and a can of chopped tomatoes into the pan. Mix that all together so they can get nice and friendly. In the meantime, add your beans. I have a mixture of cannellini black and red beans, but you can have pretty much whatever you like. Combine that all together and place on a low heat with the lid on so the flavours can get to know each other. You should give it at least 15 minutes, but the longer the better. Obviously depends on how hungry you are. To serve, ladle into a bowl and top with coriander and pickled jalapenos. You can add whatever you like, be it sour cream, avocado or hot sauce. I paired mine with rice on this occasion, but you could have flatbread or just eat it on its own. Just what you need after a long wet day in the saddle. This one ticks a lot of boxes. Now time for the taste test. Delicious. Excellent post-ride recovery food. Great meal prep. Super simple, not too expensive. You should try it. Let me know in the comments how you get on.